Namaskar, welcome to Tasty Town Recipes. Today I am showing you how to reprocess old ghee or clarified butter into new fresh aromatic ghee. Daily usage of ghee will expose more to the air. The ghee started giving odor. With the basic ingredient, we can make older ghee into fresh and aromatic. This is age-old my grandma's secret. I remember she used to reprocess the ghee every month. Let us see how to reprocess the ghee. This is my 5-month-old ghee. Almost 300 gram is left. Even though I store inside the refrigerator, ghee will give odd smell. I am taking thick bottom steel vessel. Put almost 1 cup ghee inside. Have a closer look. Fresh ghee has a grainy texture. This ghee is too sticky. Start heating the ghee at low flame. Slowly it starts melting. Add 1 tablespoon yogurt or curd and stir it slowly. After adding yogurt, can you hear the sound? It is very loud, bubbly sound. Here, a little sour yogurt is more effective to remove the ghee or smell. This whole process will take almost 15 minutes and keep the flame low temperature. It has been 10 minutes now. Bubble sound reducing. Have a closer look. Now the bubble is completely stopped. The yogurt inside become brown color. This is the right time to take it out of the flame. When ghee little cool down, store it in a glass container. Use small strainer. Filter the pure and fresh ghee. When it completely cool down, put the lid and keep it aside. If you want grainy texture ghee, then keep 1 day in room temperature. Always store the ghee or clarified butter in refrigerator. Wow, what a refreshing aroma and grainy in texture. Enjoy the fresh ghee. Eat healthy and stay healthy. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. And do comments below. Thank you.